Welcome to the Top Best. The best cable amplifier is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial devices for anyone struggling with pixelated TV channels, slow internet speeds, or dropped signals throughout their home, transforming a frustrating entertainment experience into crystal clear viewing and lightning-fast browsing by boosting weak signals and distributing them efficiently across multiple devices, ensuring every screen and connection gets the quality it deserves without constant buffering or interruptions. Number 5. Newbie 10-foot guitar cable for instruments and amps. This cable features 22 AWG oxygen-free copper conductors for superior signal transfer. Its PVC insulation and high-density double shield ensure quiet operation by rejecting unwanted noise. It comes with 1/4 straight and right-angle metal connectors, providing a secure fit for any instrument, pedal, or amp. The L shape is especially convenient for on-stage guitar stands. You can use it with a wide range of electronic equipment, from mixers and amplifiers to guitars and basses. It's also perfect for smart home setups, karaoke speakers, and professional stage audio. Its design allows for quick and easy incidental repairs, saving you time and hassle. This cable is also very flexible, making it easy to manage and store. Our 24-hour customer service and professional technology team are always ready to assist you. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. What we like. This cable excels in delivering pristine audio with minimal interference. Its unique right-angle connector is perfect for tight spaces and stage setups. If you're a musician looking for a reliable, quiet connection with versatile compatibility, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Elebase 1/4-inch TRS instrument guitar cable. We understand the frustration of worn cables. That's why we've completely redesigned it, making it thicker and more robust with a sleek aluminum shell and braided jacket. It even includes a Velcro strap for easy management. Constructed with premium copper and 2-layer shielding, it ensures minimal signal loss and protects your sound from interference. Gold-plated connectors provide precise relay, ensuring your music is heard exactly as intended. Available in 5 color options, this meticulously designed cable not only offers wide technical compatibility but also complements your instruments aesthetically. Express your unique style with your choice of color. Whether you play guitar, bass, or keyboard, if your instrument features a 6.35mm jack, you can use this cable. Connect them to an external amplifier and let your talent shine through. We back this product with a 12-month warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. Our customer service is always ready to assist, and if you're not satisfied, a refund is guaranteed, no questions asked. What we like. Built to last, this cable features a robust nylon braided jacket and gold-plated connectors for superior signal transfer. It also comes in multiple vibrant colors to match your gear. If you value both durability and aesthetics in your setup, this option lets you play with style. What people say. Number 3. TOPSTRONGGEAR 4GA Amp Kit. Elevate your car's audio experience with this complete amplifier wiring kit. It provides everything you need for a professional installation, ensuring powerful and clear sound for subwoofers and speakers. This kit includes 17 feet of 4 AWG Ultraflex red CCA power wire and 3 feet of black CCA ground wire. These high-quality wires ensure optimal power delivery to your amplifier. You'll find 18 feet of 16 AWG CCA speaker wire and an 18-foot 18-gauge blue remote turn-on wire. They are designed for reliable signal transmission and easy system activation. A 17-foot black basic RCA cable, crafted from oxygen-free copper, is included. This ensures a clean, interference-free audio signal from your head unit to your amplifier. For your system's protection, it comes with a heat-tested, water-resistant inline fuse holder and an 80-amp ANL fuse. These components safeguard your setup against power surges. All necessary connecting terminals and additional accessories are part of this comprehensive kit. It makes your installation process smooth and hassle-free, getting you to great sound faster. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a powerful car audio installation. It includes heavy-gauge wires and an OFC RCA cable for optimal performance. If you're setting up a new car subwoofer or speaker system, this complete package simplifies the process. What people say. Number 2. GEARit RCA cables car audio 15-foot OFC. Introducing the GEARit RCA cables, designed for superior audio performance. These 15-foot OFC cables feature dual shielding and gold-plated connectors, perfect for all your audio needs. These cables offer universal compatibility with standard RCA male connectors. They ensure seamless audio transfer from AV receivers, amplifiers, and even car audio setups, fitting any home theater or stereo system. Engineered for digital audio and low-frequency performance, it delivers pristine sound clarity. You'll experience unmatched fidelity, meeting professional demands for your home theater and stereo systems. With heavy-duty metal connectors and molded strain relief, this cable guarantees long-lasting reliability. Its robust construction ensures consistent performance in all environments, giving you peace of mind. Advanced aluminum shielding effectively blocks RF and EM interference. This provides crystal-clear sound quality for all your RCA audio connections, completely free from disruptions. We back these cables with a limited lifetime replacement warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Your complete satisfaction is our priority. Contact us for easy support and peace of mind. What we like. Designed for professional audio quality, these cables feature oxygen-free copper and dual shielding to eliminate interference. The gold-plated connectors ensure a stable, high-fidelity signal. If you demand crystal-clear sound for your home theater or car audio, these deliver pristine clarity. What people say. Number 1. GEARit 8-gauge CCA wire kit, black-red. This wire set features copper-clad aluminum, offering an economical choice for your power or ground needs. It provides excellent power transfer, making it a great conductor for various applications. This bundled power wire set is ideal for car amplifiers, subwoofers, or as a reliable ground wire. You can use it for diverse applications like car audio, automotive wiring, or even 12V power inverters. It features a soft touch jacket, specifically designed for easy installation and durability. This strong yet flexible PVC jacket offers elasticity and impact resistance, perfect for indoor use. Installation is made simple with its easy color-coded design, helping you identify the correct polarity. This crucial feature prevents potential damage to your valuable audio equipment. This wire is highly compatible, suitable for up to 300V voltage in various roles like automotive, speaker, or electrical wiring. It's available in multiple gauges, colors, and lengths to fit your specific project needs. What we like. This economical wire set offers a great balance of performance and value for various automotive applications. Its soft touch jacket and clear color coding make installation straightforward. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use power or ground wire for your car audio or RV, this is a solid choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.